Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate unlimited free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. So let's jump right into it. First, open PiAPI.ai. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Now click on sign up button in the top right corner. You can sign up for PiAPI using your GitHub account or Google account. But for this video, I'll go with Google account. And after sign up, you'll see a dashboard like this. Scroll down a bit and you will find various AI video generation tools like Kling, Luma, VEO, Sedence, Sora, and many others. For this video, I'll choose Sedence. So click on Sedence 2.0 API. A new workspace will open where you can generate videos from text, first and last frame, reference, or face. Underneath, you can select the video duration, aspect ratio, video quality as well. Then you need to enter a prompt. For the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. Simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this YouTube video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once your prompt is ready, copy it and paste it into Pi API. You can choose between fast generation or standard generation. It's completely up to you. Finally, click the generate button. As you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. You can sign up for Pi API using your personal Google account or GitHub account. It's completely up to you. This free tool gives you 50 cents as a sign up bonus, which is enough to generate approximately one AI video, depending on the model and setting you choose. If you want to create more than one video or generate longer video content, once your credits run out, simply sign up again using a different Google account or GitHub account to receive more free credits. This way, you can continue generating as many AI videos as you want until the platform becomes paid or introduces generation limits. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go. A free AI video with Pi API has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided with excellent quality and resolution. So with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below if this free tool helped you generate your video content or not. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.